Hey everyone, Tom here. So this is just a quick video to talk about what we've done in release 5, which is actually currently now available to you all. So first thing you'll notice is that we've put this little pop-up for some quick tips and techniques, and you can just simply click through it, and it talks about all the little icons and what they do, and quite frankly, once you've got it, hit the got it button and it'll go away. So that's that. Quite simple. Second piece of functionality we've put in is if you choose an image, so for argument's sake this one, and you go to the bottom, you'll see that there's an add comment button. So you can now add a comment, and you can reply to a comment, and you can there's a bit of a discussion forum there if you want to ask specifics about the image itself. So that's a nice feature if you want to talk to the person that took it and find out a little bit more about, you know, how they took it, where they took it, and what you know, camera settings and things like that. So the third key feature, if we go to the Loki page itself, and you'll see here, this is Trentham Falls, and there's a number of images. If you go to the information page, now you can actually basically augment the information. So in what I mean by that is that if the description, if you can add a new description, or you can reply to an existing description. This also applies to the environmental and access notes. What also we've added is the ability to vote. So this little arrow here allows you to upvote particular comments. And that just means that the best comments, or the most popular comments, will flow to the top, and they're the ones that will appear on the main page. All of the other comments will always be available. The highest ranked ones will appear on the main page. So that's really it for Release 5. Release 6 is coming in a couple of weeks. So I just wanted to say two things. For a start, Release 6 has got some pretty cool functionality. You can actually choose things like a geographic area, and if anything new appears in that area that you've selected, it might be somewhere near home, you'll be actually informed of it. Secondly, a cheerio and a thanks to all the people that have signed up recently and have started to add stuff. It's great. And look, this is a free community for photographers, so the more people that join, the more people that add stuff, the better it is for all. So really appreciate everyone's efforts, and we're going to keep going and building more and more really cool stuff. And if you've got any suggestions, just give us a yell, and we'll try and incorporate them in as soon as we physically can. Anyway, cheers all. Bye.